Hello everyone, welcome back to Olsen Cafe. Today we are going to solve this log equation. Many of my students always make mistakes at the start. So let me walk you through step by step and show you how to do. To solve log equations, there are a few things we must check. First, we must make sure that all the bases of the log functions must be the same before we can apply the laws. So in this case, since the bases are different, the method of using equality of log is out of the question. Now next, what we observe is, since the bases are different, so many students, are so quick to apply change of base formula. But hang on, if you take a closer look at these two log functions, do you realize that you can actually simplify them instead of changing the base? So if you are good at special log functions, you should know that we can simplify them easily. Yeah, so therefore, in this case, I also do not need to use change the base formula. All we need will be the power law and the special log. Yeah, so what we are going to do is, I'm going to rewrite this number 8, to the base of 2, since the base of this log function is 2. So by doing so, I'm able to rewrite this to get log to the base of 2 and then to the power of 3. And similarly, if I take a look at this number 3, am I able to rewrite this to the base of 9? And I am able to do so because this will give me log base 9 of 9 to the power of half. Now, once I have here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply power law. So, so I'm just going to bring the power down to the front. So simplifying this, I will be able to get this equation. Does this look familiar to you? Yeah, we are able to convert this to index form. So to do this, I have 4 to the power of 3.5, and then this will give us 6 minus x. So by writing it down, so this will give us this equation. Now let's take a look again. I have 4 to the power of 7 over 2. Can I simplify the 4? The answer is yes. So by doing this, I will get x equals to 6 minus 2 squared, and then the whole thing to the power of 7 over 2. So all I need is simplifying this, and I will derive my answer as x equals to negative 122. Over here, you notice I have a negative answer. Yeah, so therefore, the questions that I have for you is, should we accept x equals to negative 122? What do you think? All right, and do you remember that we do have this condition? All right, for any log functions to be defined, we have to make sure that the value inside the log function has to be greater than 0, and the base cannot be 1, and the base has to be greater than 0 as well. So therefore, do take a good look at this answer, x equals to negative 122. All right, so let me know what you think in the comments below. Should we accept or reject x equals to negative 122? So here is a reminder for everyone. To truly master log equations, you need to know all these log laws at your fingertips. This is a real key to solving the equation successfully. It is also important, to know the condition, for the log to be defined. This step is always needed at the end when you have solved for x, which many students often miss out during examinations or tests. So you do need to take note of this. Hope you find this video useful. Do give it a thumbs up and share it with someone else who is also working on logs too. So do look out for the next few videos as I solve more complex log equations with you. So be sure to subscribe, and I see you then. Bye!